In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Lens on your computer, PC, or laptop. Google Lens is a powerful tool from Google that can recognize text, objects, and images, and then help you search or take actions based on what it sees. A lot of people only use it on their phones, but you can actually use many of its best features right from your computer, and that's what we'll walk through together. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer. Most of what we'll do works best in Google Chrome, but you can also use other modern browsers for some features. Once your browser is open, go to the Google homepage. You'll see the usual search box in the center of the screen. Inside that search box, look for a small camera icon. This is the Google Lens button on desktop. If you don't see it, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version and try refreshing the page. When the icon appears, click on it. This opens the Google Lens interface directly in your browser. Now you'll see a window that lets you either drag and drop an image, upload one from your computer, or paste an image URL. If you already have a picture saved that you want to analyze, like a screenshot, a photo of a product, or a page of text, click on the Upload option and select that image from your files. Give it a moment to upload. Once the image loads, Google Lens will automatically try to understand what's in it. On the right side, you'll see results related to your image. If the image has text, you'll see an option to select and copy the text directly, which is really useful for grabbing notes, translating a document, or copying information from a picture. You can highlight just the part you need and copy it into a document, email, or search. You'll also notice different tabs or modes, such as search and text, and sometimes translation. Search helps you find visually similar images or related pages, which is great for identifying products, places, or objects. The text and translation options are helpful if you're working with documents or signs in other languages. If you're using Chrome, you can also right-click on almost any image on a web page and choose the option to search image with Google Lens. This skips the upload step and sends that image directly into Lens, saving time. Take a moment to experiment with different images, like screenshots, photos of documents, or product pictures. The more you use Google Lens on your computer, the more natural it will feel as part of your everyday workflow.